What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restocking video. I'm super excited to show you all the slimes that we're going to be stocking today in just an hour, so I'm really excited for that. Don't forget, we do restock every Friday at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. I have a list up here. If you're in a different time zone, you can just convert that and find your time zone to know when we are restocking. So starting off the restock with the Queen of Unicorn Slime Shop, my best seller, Chanel number 2. She is a very thick and glossy bubblicious bubblegum scented slime, super holdable, very good for bubble pops, and just honestly one of the best slimes in my shop. Next up is second in line from the big three, my second bestseller, Baja Blast. I love this slime so much. It is an icy / cloud slime hybrid scented just like a Baja Blast soda. If you've never had one of those, it's basically a tropical lemon lime soda. I add a blue raspberry and pineapple scent to my Mountain Dew and it smells so good. It is just amazing. This one has little baby drizzles and it's just a really nice slime overall. I'm just realizing now I actually forgot to film a clip of the Conversation Heart 4-pack, but we are going to be having that this week, and I believe this is going to be the last week that we're going to have that in stock, so make sure to get to the shop early if you are wanting to snatch the Conversation Hearts mini 4-pack. And third and last in the big three, we have Mud Mask. This one here is a buttercream slime, is what I like to call it. It is basically a half butter slime, half cloud cream slime hybrid. It is really nice, very sizzly, and definitely inflates a lot as well. This one is scented like green tea lemon, and it's just really good, very thick, holdable, and almost like a dough. Red Velvet Buttercream is coming back as well. This one I believe we stocked last year for Valentine's Day. It's the exact same texture as Mud Mask. It's really nice and holdable. It is half butter slime and half cloud cream to make our buttercream texture, and it's just really nice, sizzly, and very dough-like. And of course, it is scented like red velvet cake and cream cheese frosting. Root beer float is a new slime to the shop. This one is a half and half type slime. So the bottom layer of it is actually a clear jelly based slime. So it has a little bit of instant snow in there. And the top is a thick and glossy. It is both scented like root beer float, obviously, and it smells really, really good. When you mix this together, it becomes super, super fluffy. It inflates a ton and it just looks really, really cool. Unicorn Hearts is a new slime to the shop as well, and I definitely think it's the prettiest this restock, hands down. It is a clear base fishbowl slime with some holographic glitters in there. There's holographic hearts and holographic unicorn shaped glitters. It's unscented as well, and it's just so beautiful. Sour Patch Hearts is a new slime to the shop. This is an icy slime texture, so it's clear based, however it's foggy because there's instant snow added in there and it's fully scented. So this one is scented like Sour Patch Kids and like strawberries. It's really, really good. And there are a ton of different add-ins in this. There's 2 types of heart glitters in here. There's also some chunky glitters and there's also some clay hearts, which is super, super cool. I just really love the scent of this one overall, and the texture is really nice as well. It's almost like a jelly slime and kind of, I don't know how to explain it. It's like a clear cloud cream, basically. Cute Berry Crunch is also new to the shop this week. It is actually a full floam. We don't make those too often, so if you like full floams and super crunchy slimes, you should definitely snatch this one. The scent of this is amazing. We literally just took every single berry scent that we had and just threw it all into this, and it smells so good, and each of them are going to come with a random berry charm as well.
Hello everyone, this is Melissa, Joseph's mom. Wanted to talk about the yellow clay slime we have here. It's new in the shop. It was an idea that I came up with that reminded me of Joseph's original song that he wrote a couple years back called Neon Love. It is clay sprinkles with hearts. I don't know.
Tell them what it's scented like.
It's scented like
pineapple mango.
It's scented like pineapple mango with clay heart sprinkles. I can't do this!
Hi, yeah, that was my mom. She made this slime, and basically what she's trying to say, it was inspired by a song that I wrote a couple years back. It is super cool. It's a neon yellow inflatable clay slime. Once it's inflated, it gets super sizzly and fluffy. It's amazing. Scented like pineapple and mango. It's really tropical, and it smells really good. And of course, it's topped off with that custom sprinkle mix at the top. Fairy Bread is back after a long hiatus. We haven't stocked this one in such a long time. If you're not familiar with this is a color changing cloud cream. So it goes from like a light periwinkle to like a darker purple, and it's really cool. Kind of hard to tell on camera here because of the lighting, but I'm working on it. There's also some foam beads at the top. They're pastel just to kind of represent the sprinkles that are on actual Fairy Bread, and it just looks super cool. It's a very nice texture, and I love the scent of this. It's scented like cake batter ice cream, and it's literally mouth-watering. Banana Berry Blast is a new slime as well. There are so many new slimes, it's hard to keep up with, but this one here is really cool because it has a bunch of marshmallow foam beads and large pink foam beads in there as well. There's also a bunch of add-ins to this slime here. It has some Fimo slices, banana and strawberries, and then there's also some sprinkles in there, and as well some heart clay sprinkles, so that's really cool. It's scented just like strawberry and bananas. It's really nice, super crunchy, and I just love these marshmallow foam beads in the slime because it just gives it a unique texture, and the bubble pops are amazing. Fondue for two is also new to the shop. This is actually a duo this week. So we have the milk chocolate fondue and the white chocolate fondue. And of course they are scented just like their names. It's also going to come with one random squishy strawberry keychain. It's super, super cute. You can make little cute videos with it and dip your strawberry in your fondue. Or you could just like hang it on a keychain like it's supposed to be. You do you, boo. You do what you like. I love this so much because it's super, super cute. And you get two different slimes. They are the same texture, but they're scented differently. One is scented like white chocolate and the other like milk chocolate. And lastly, we have toasted marshmallow. This one is another cool slime as well. It is actually a glue wall based clay slime. There's a little bit of clay in there and it becomes super, super fluffy once you inflate it, and it's so crazy. The bubble pops are amazing. Turns out really, really sizzly, and of course it is scented just like toasted marshmallow. This slime is super, super thick, but once it's inflated, it feels like a fluffy slime. It's really, really cool, and it's topped off with gold holographic glitters just to kind of give it that toasted feel, and it's really, really cool. Alrighty y'all, well that was pretty much it for this restock video. I really hope you all enjoyed it and found something that you'd like to purchase. In the comment section down below, let me know if you want to see any of these slimes return and make a comeback in the shop. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!